guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, wala na naman akong makeup except my eyebrow. And meron akong eyeshadow, pero I'm not sure if you can see that. But today, I'm gonna do my first ever, if I'm not mistaken, my first ever first impression / review. Because I've been wanting to do one. And ang gagawin ko today is this Essence All About Matte Oil-Free Makeup. And I got it in the shade number 10 Matte Beige. Dito sa Watsons, sa malapit sa amin, I only saw 3 shades. Isang Matte Nude and Matte Sand. And both colors, hindi swak sa skin ko. So, I am crossing my finger that this shade suits me. So, yeah, let's begin. I'm gonna use, sa half of my face, I'm gonna use just my fingers, and the other half, I'm gonna use a sponge. This is my beauty blender para makita natin kung saan mas magandang application. So, yeah. I'm gonna get this much first. You can see that. And let's start with my left side. Oops, sorry. Mabango siya, in fairness. Alam nyo, kaamoy siya ng BB cream ng Daiso. I'm not too sure kung maliwanag ba masyado yung ano. Kasi I'm just using natural lighting. Nasa harap ako ng window. So, yeah. Wala akong mirror. So, sorry, dito ako nakatingin sa viewfinder. Hindi ako kumuha ng mirror. I think it's better to get a mirror so I can see up close kung okay ba yung coverage niya. Wait. So, I now have my mirror. Ang streaky pala nung lagay ko with the fingers. So, I think I'd better stick with the beauty blender. Pero so far naman, can you see the difference pa? This one, medyo nag-even na yung nag-even na yung skin tone. Kasi dito, I can really see my dark circles. Pero dito sa side na to, medyo mas okay na siya. So, let's do the rest of my face. Ubus na yung una kong nilagay, so I'm gonna put the same amount. And maybe retouch ko na yung left side para mas maayos tignan. I feel like may pagka-pink undertone tong shade na to. Feel ko lang. Parang lang. Okay, so that's how it looks like with the first layer. If you can see, meron pa rin akong redness sa ilalim ng nose or around the nose. So I want to put a little bit more para makita natin kung maka-cover niya yun. But for the rest of my face, I'm actually contented with it. So, and maybe sa under eye din konti, no? Although, hindi naman siya nakasabi na pwede na siyang concealer like yung CoverGirl. But, we'll see. So, that's how it looks like up close. And so far, okay naman siya. Hindi siya malagkit sa face, even though nanggigitata na ako sa init. I closed the window kasi para ma-adjust naman konti yung light. And may electric fan akong maingay. If you can hear that, pero ang layo and ang hina lang niya. So, I'm just gonna blot dahil ako ay pawis na pawis na. Tingnan natin dahil sabi niya, oil-free makeup. And so far naman talaga, hindi siya heavy or hindi siya dumikit na yung tissue. Hindi siya heavy sa I mean, hindi heavy sa pakiramdam na parang feel mo na may foundation ka. Kasi, this is a foundation, right? Hindi kasi sinabi. Yeah. Ang claims niya kasi, yung description niya, mattifying oil-free foundation for a flawless and radiant finish, covers imperfections without clogging the pores. The formulation is long-lasting and moisturizing and dermatologically tested. So, yan yung coverage niya, and I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll get back to you. So, yeah, naglagay lang ako ng blush on and ng lipstick, and I did not use any, what do you call that? Setting powder. So, para matest natin talaga kung mattifying ba siya. And, yeah, nag-blot na rin ako ng pawis ko. Hindi siya oil, pawis siya. So, hopefully this will stay on. I don't think I'm gonna make it until 12 hours, pero at least 8 maybe. It's already 2:19, so I'm not sure I can make it until 8 hours, pero 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock, we'll see. But yeah, so far I'm liking it, especially tinignan ko siya ng hindi under the daylight, yung talagang normal lang. And I love it. I love the coverage. I love how it looks. Nag-set na siya kaagad. Hindi siya ganun katagal mag-set. So, hindi rin siya malagit. So, yeah. So far, so good. So, I'll get back to you later. Okay, so I just want to get a shot nung hindi sa harap ng ilaw or ng daylight. So, eto, I'm just using my cell phone and yeah, you can see my pawis. Pero, I love the coverage it gives. And, as you can see, yung blush ko talaga, kitang-kita mo kasi maganda yung kinakapitan. So, yeah, this is how it looks so far. Hi guys! Just a quick update on my foundation. It's already 6:30 and kakagaling lang namin ni Zeb sa playground. Say hi, Zeb! Anyway, ayun. So, pinagpawisan ako. Syempre, kakahabol. If you can see. Yan. Pero, pawis ako pero hindi oily. So, that's a good thing. That's a good sign. And, ayun. I have oily skin nga pala. Hindi ko na-mention kanina. So, in terms of oil control, okay siya sa akin dahil hindi ako nangingintab. And then, what else? Yeah, so far, so good. But, syempre yung coverage siya, feeling ko nagpi-fade na siya konti. It's been what? 4 hours? 2:30. Oh, 4 hours pa lang. So, I'll get back to you later before I go to bed. Hi guys! So, I am back for my final update. It's already 9:28 and it's been a good, what, 7 hours since I last applied the foundation. And what do you think? I think may coverage pa naman siya kasi I know how my skin looks like nang walang coverage. And so far, yan, nandiyan pa si kilay. Yung blush on, wala, burado na siya totally kasi kanina pa kami naghaharutan ni Zeb. Syempre, hindi ko mapigilan sarili kung halik-halikan siya. So, nag-rub off na yung foundation, yung blush on. But I think in terms of the, yung foundation, I think meron pa naman siya. Kahit pa paano, meron pa rin siyang coverage. So, let's start with the pros. So, again, this is the Essence All About Matte Oil-Free Makeup. I know that this is available in the Philippines. I checked the Facebook page ng Essence sa Philippines. Kaso walang price. Yun lang ang downside. So, I don't know how much is this. But, in general naman, Essence products are all very affordable. So, siguro mga 300, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know ha kung alam niyo yung price. Comment kayo below para sa sa ibang makanood. But here in Singapore is $5.90. And it's considered very cheap na kasi wala kang makikita dito ng foundation na below $10 as in. So, very affordable. Yun ang maganda. And second, gusto ko din yung packaging niya. Very slim, if you can see. And naka-tube. Mas gusto ko yun kesa yung pinopor, di ba yung Revlon, yung nasa glass as pinopor. So, eto, mas madaling i-control kung gaano karami yung gusto mong, what do you call that? Amount. And third, what else? Yung ano niya, yung scent niya, mabango. Kasi 'di ba yung ibang mga foundation, merong mga amoy talaga yung mga foundation. Pero this one smells good. Actually, I can compare the smell na dun sa Daiso na BB cream. Yun, may shea butter. Siguro meron din to. Pero hindi ko kasi nabasa. Oh, may fragrance, may perfume na nakalagay sa ingredient. So, yun, mabango siya. And the fact that this is a European brand ha, made in France, yun nga yung cheap niya. Galing. And it's 1 fluid ounce. Yun yung usual or the typical size ng mga foundation, diba? What else? In terms of yung pagiging oil-free and yung mattifying, I think I do agree with that. Kasi nga, if you can see yung previous clip nga nung after namin mag-playground, although, syempre pinagpawisan ako, imposibleng hindi, pero hindi ako makintab. Unlike sa ibang foundation na na-try ko na before, yung NYX na All About Matte. Ano nga yun? NYX. Sana maalala ko. I can't remember the name. I'll just put the name here. Yun, grabe. Especially nung first try ko nun. Kaya I thought hindi ko na siya gagamitin ulit. Kasi grabing oil yung mukha ko after an hour of applying it. So, eto, hindi siya nag-oily. Even up to now, kahit yung T-zone ko, which is the normal part naman talaga na nag-oil up sa mga oily face. Hindi. Mukha siya makintab because of the light, pero hindi siya oily. And, ano pa? Ay, nakita ko rin pala sa website nila na ano sila against animal testing. So, if you are an advocate of that, it's also a pro. So, they don't test on animals. Okay, so those are the pros for this one. And in terms naman sa cons, yung color selection, kala ko dito lang sa Watson sa amin, malapit, na konti lang yung ano nila, na 3 lang yung selection ng color. Pero when I saw from their website, talaga palang 3 lang. So, there's matte beige, matte nude, and matte sand. And apparently, I got the lightest one. Hindi naman ako maputi. Buti na lang, okay lang siya sa face ko. Feeling ko kasi yung sand is sobrang dark. And yung gitna, yung matte nude, ewan ko, feeling ko ito. Actually, ito nga yung walang tester. So, nag-relay ako nung tinest ko yung dalawa. Feeling ko hindi siya match sa akin. So, buti na lang, even though hindi ako naman kaputian, nag-feeling ko, ano sa tingin nyo? Baka feeling ko lang yun. Ano tingin nyo dun sa first part ng ng video? Feeling ko naman nag-match sa akin. So, buti na lang. In fairness nga pala, hindi ako gumamit ng setting powder or whatever. So, ayun. Kaya, okay sa akin yung pagdating sa oil-free and mattifying. What else? I think, in terms of coverage, siguro light to medium coverage. Hindi ko naman siya masabing con, kasi hindi ko pa na-try na talagang i-build up siya sa mukha ko. Build up sa mukha ko. Hindi ko pa na-try na talagang damihan ng layer. Kasi nilagay ko kanina, 2 very thin layers lang. So, kasi natakot ako na baka sobrang mag-cake or whatever. Pero, ayan. Maybe I'll try next time na i-build up yung coverage. And I'll just update you guys sa vlog. If you watch my vlogs, yeah. Dun ko na lang. Sa second time that I'm gonna use it, siguro I'll put a thicker layer. Siguro, 1 thick layer or siguro 2 medium thickness layer. We'll see. Pero, so far yun, light coverage lang siya. Hindi niya na kayang takpan yung redness ko around the nose. And, in terms of the 12-hour, sabi niya 12-hour long lasting, I don't think it can keep up. It can keep up to 12 hours. Kasi nga, sa akin, 7 hours pa lang, parang burado na. Or, so, parang nag-fade na, nag-lighten na. So, yeah. So, that's my final verdict. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Medyo casual na lang tong, yung latter part ng video. I hope you don't mind, but congratulations to me on my first review. Anyway, if you want to see more reviews, let me know kung ano mga products ang gusto nyo pang makita, and I will try my best to do it for you. And yeah, see you guys next time. And thanks for watching. Bye!